This one's gonna get you guys fired up.
Yep.
You're already fired up in the comments, and we are talking about our great debate. Our great debate.
Yes. You know it. You love it.
Yeah.
We love it too.
Some of you guys seem like you hate it because when you comment and you're so fired up, but really that means you love the debate.
Right.
Yeah.
Well, there's nothing wrong with a little friendly debate.
No,
I
I
love
love
the
it.
back and forth. It keeps your mental skills sharp, you know?
Yeah. And I think I'm gonna make some of you guys angry today. You might call me a little gross.
Okay.
Here we go.
All right.
You wouldn't be the first.
So our great debate topic today is, and I think it's quite appropriate for this time of year, a little hop in the pool. Does it count as a bath?
So here's the thing, it doesn't, in my opinion, right?
Yes.
It does not count as a bath. But I'm lenient on it. Depends. What are we talking here? If it's a public pool, no. That is filled with pee and saliva and God knows what else.
Yeah.
So no, absolutely not. Have I before gone into like a pool at like my friend's house, it's just us two, and then not shower, like falling asleep on the couch? Yes, I have. And I'm sorry, but it's the truth.
Yeah, I mean, the pool to afternoon nap timeline is a real one. You know, maybe you throw in one like a sandwich with chips on it and you're like, this is the best summer day ever.
Yeah.
And I would say that like the pool might count as a bath when you're like 6.
Yes.
And your parents don't want to deal with you. And I'd be like, you know what, fine, pick your battles. And this is not one that I would be picking with your 6-year-old. So like, but that's probably about where that ends, because there's chemicals. You gotta wash your hair feels all crusty and dusty after you go in the pool.
Yeah.
And like, ugh. Like when I was a kid, I definitely was like, I was a grimy kid a little bit. And I would like have my hair in a braid, jump in the pool, and then do nothing about it. And so like when I took the braid out, it was like,
No, I know that feeling, yeah. I just think I'm not as angry about it as some of you guys are. Like you said, age too. Like at this age, I'm not gonna not shower before bed if I've been in the pool. But if you're 6 and he was in the pool and it was like you said, it wasn't maybe it wasn't public. Who cares? One time.
No, I think with kids at a certain age, parents know they got to pick their battles, and I understand that is not a battle you are going to pick every day of the summer because kids love the pool and they are going to be there every single day.
Exactly.
And are they going to put up a fight about bath time? Also, yes. But here's what you guys had to say. I know people were getting a little fired up in the comments on Facebook. Donald said, "Did you use soap?"
Good point.
Carol said, no, got to wash off the chemicals, which is also a very valid point.
Yes.
Chris says no, he kind of had the same people pee in the pool.
Yeah.
Tony says no, shower is needed. Jenny says ew, no. Liz says ew, no. And Jane says no. So more no's than yeses.
Yeah.
And I think that's fair.
Yeah, when I looked at our poll last time as well and our other social media sites, everyone's saying no. The only place where some people said yes is our poll, and I think because it's anonymous, and so like you really we don't know who voted yes. I have not voted on it, so someone else was fine with
Paige.
it. Yeah. Again, I want to make it clear. I don't think it's a substitute. I just don't think in some circumstances it's as big of a deal. My friend had a bay house. Yeah. My friend had a bay house growing up. If we were in the bay, sometimes if it was like, quick, we have dinner, we'd be like, let's just jump in the pool because it's better than being in fish pee.
Yeah. No, I think for like a rinse, but it doesn't count as a shower.
No,
like
it doesn't
again,
count.
are you like, are you filthy? No.
Right. Yeah.
Are you clean? Also no.
No.
We gotta wash our hair after we get in the pool.
Exactly. It doesn't do the same thing the ocean does where it makes it cute beach waves.
Right. No, the pool does not do that.
The pool doesn't do that.
No, there are times too where you come out of the ocean and you're like, this is the best hair day I've ever had.
Oh yeah, I get mad when I have to shower after the beach.
Right.
I'll be honest.
No,
my
but
hair
you
looks
have to
great.
because like the sunscreen, the salt,
Yeah.
but you're like, can I not touch the hair?
Yeah.
But it's also sandy and salty.
Exactly, and your scalp has sand and it's gross. Yeah. No, I get it.
Yeah. No, summer can be rough.
Yes. So don't forget, you can still let us know what you think if you want to vote anonymous.
Yes.
Go to coastlife.com/vote or vote on our social medias or just comment.
Yes, we love to hear from you, and the great debates have been fun lately. We've been on a roll lately with some good ones, and like we said, we love hearing from you. So we can turn the conversation over to you. We're going to take a quick break, but when we get back, we are talking Salisbury Pride.